Short-range forecast discussion. NWS Weather Prediction Center College Park Valid 00Z Thursday, April 6, 2023, 00Z Saturday, April 8, 2023. Severe thunderstorms possible through tonight from Texas and Louisiana to the Great Lakes. Hazardous winter weather possible through tonight in the northern plains and New England. Very warm across the east and winter-like cold across the west and the Dakotas. The main weather headlines are associated with the broad low-pressure system that is impacting the central and eastern U.S. this week. This low-pressure system is triggering severe weather from East Texas to the Great Lakes and producing wintry conditions in the northern plains and Maine today. Hazardous weather conditions will likely continue through tonight. The Storm Prediction Center has issued a broad slight risk, level 2/5, of severe thunderstorms from East Texas and northern Louisiana to the eastern Great Lakes region with an embedded enhanced risk, level 3/5, area over parts of the Ohio River Valley. A long line of eastward moving showers and thunderstorms has developed across this area ahead of a cold front. Potential storm hazards through tonight include damaging winds, large hail, and a few tornadoes. Localized heavy rainfall may also produce isolated to scattered instances of flash flooding, and there is a slight risk, level 2/4, of excessive rainfall in effect from Texas to Kentucky and east of Lake Ontario. Wintry weather is occurring today on the northern and western sides of the low-pressure system in the northern plains and New England. Blizzard warnings are in effect for parts of the Dakotas where snow showers and strong winds will cause blowing snow and reduced visibility, which will make travel dangerous. Additional snowfall totals from today may be several inches across eastern North Dakota and northern Minnesota. To the east, wintry mixed precipitation will fall mainly as sleet and freezing rain across the upper Great Lakes and New England. Winter weather advisories are in effect for parts of Maine, New Hampshire, and Vermont through early Thursday morning. Isolated power outages and slippery travel are anticipated in these areas. Wintry precipitation will gradually taper off overnight and early Thursday morning. Conditions will improve on Thursday as the low-pressure system pushes further north into Canada. The trailing cold front will approach the east coast and northern Gulf Coast on Thursday while slowing down and weakening. The severe threat will decrease, and only isolated severe thunderstorms will be possible in the mid-Atlantic and parts of Texas where the Storm Prediction Center has issued a marginal risk, level 1/5, of severe thunderstorms. The front will stall near the Gulf Coast, which will prolong the risk of isolated to scattered flash flooding in the vicinity of the western/northern Gulf Coast and parts of the south through Friday. Precipitation will also impact the Pacific Northwest through the end of this week as two different frontal systems approach the region. Rounds of precipitation are forecast, falling as rain at low elevations and mixed precipitation and snow at higher elevations. Temperatures are abnormal today across the nation. Well above average high temperatures are being observed east of the Mississippi River, excluding New England where precipitation is keeping temperatures cooler, and well below average high temperatures are being observed west of the Mississippi River, coldest in the Intermountain West and northern and central plains. Temperatures will return to near average values for this time of year as we approach the end of the work week.